This is how you can restore your wooden cutting board. After years of abuse, it looks dry, with lots of ugly knife marks. With just an angle grinder, with 80 grit sanding disc, we sand away a layer of the board. Halfway there. Let's move on to 240 grit. This time, we used our hand in sanding. Wipe off dust. Now, the fun part begins. Using food-grade mineral oil. Apply directly, let it sit for a while, then wipe off excess. Remember, don't use any type of cooking oil, as it will go rancid in time. It's okay to leave few knife marks, as it gives character to the board. After a day, it's ready. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you think this video is helpful.